Alright, so we're gonna go out here, we're gonna plow. I usually do this up by the steps of the tractor here. At least this time here I can see what's going on with the phone. Last episode here I dropped the phone. I almost ran over it with my tractor. I'm gonna get something that I don't have to hold on to like this, because it's just a pain right in the ass. Waiting for the winch to get activated again. There we go. Alright, so here we go. I need two hands to do this. One to operate the winch, obviously hold the phone, and then steer the tractor. So I'm multitasking here. That's usually what I do. I just come out here and plow this for my dogs. This way here they can get out here and take a dump. And I don't have to worry about them getting frostbite on their little tootsies. A little hairy, backing up with one hand here. We'll do this little backyard out here. Yeah, you can see where I already did a little plowing here. Got that. Well, hey, you know, what the hell. We didn't like that piece of the gate anyway, did we? Probably not. I'm sure my wife will have something to say. Alright, so I'm going to start back here in front of the steps. Try not to wipe out the steps. It is a little tight. You can see it's only 60 inches through here, and that's what the plow is. It's 60 inches. So I get in here, and of course there's rocks all along the foundation here. You gotta have that crap, you know. And there's a shovel in the freaking goddamn snow. Really, no kidding. I wonder who left that out there. Well, we'll be looking for that later. Yeah, you can see there's a shovel out there. Somebody didn't pick it up, I guess. I don't know. Apparently it's nothing we need to worry about out here. Yeah. Just another day pushing snow around. Yeah, the tractor does a really good job. It's, you know, hey, it's a 1972. It's a Cub Lo Boy 154. And I made the plow brackets for this. I'm missing a spring on the front of the plow here. One of them fell off the other day. I just haven't had a chance to put it on, so it trips really easy. But I don't really care if it does, because it's just easier on the plow and the tractor and everything else. And I mean, what the hell? I'm not plowing for the state or the town or anything, you know. So it don't really matter as far as I'm concerned. I'm not that fussy. I'm just an old codger. I don't get too fussy about a whole lot of things. I just do things my own way, that's all. I just do this for my puppies, that's all. Makes my wife happy. good job. I just saw the plow blade trip over there a minute ago, but you know, like I said, I really don't care. I mean, it's got a plow on it, does the job, does a real good job. In a second you can see here how good a job it does. My glove stops getting hung up on things here. I have to throttle it down a little bit here. Come back out the other side. I'll push this out so she don't have to walk through the snow no more. And that's pretty much all I do, is just clear it out like that. Call it quits, you know. Come back here and we'll see what's going on. Looks pretty good. I'll have to get off and shut the gate here so dogs don't get loose here. So I'm going to kind of get close to the deck here. Try to drop. Oh shit. There we go. I don't like shoveling anything. There's my wellhead right there. I'm 70. I don't have to prove anything, and I don't have to shovel anything, and I ain't gonna shovel anything. So that makes sense or not, I don't know. But there you go. We're all plowed out. Good enough for the puppies. You know, tractor, it says 60-inch blade there, and we didn't get a lot of snow. It's pretty easy actually. Maybe I'll walk over here and get the shovel. Probably make my wife happy. Here it is. Oh, this must be the puppy shovel picking up the poop. So there you have it. That's plowing with a Cub Lo Boy. I don't have any weights on this tractor either, you know. It's I do have a weight bucket for it, but I haven't put it on in a couple of years. I got these John Deere suitcase weights, and I got them on there. Probably pick up a couple, 3, 4 more, and they're probably easier to deal with than this. Dealing with, you know, putting the bucket on there. I use this winch here to pull my logs out. You probably can't see it because the light, but that's just a 2,500 pound winch, and this is my tree dragging beam. So yeah, like I said, if you like the stuff, stay tuned, like, subscribe, thumbs up. I got a lot of tractor stuff on here, guitar stuff, music stuff. I do a lot of everything, welding, everything, you name it, I do it. Have a good one.